Hello guys, welcome back to the second part of Solidworks drawing tutorials. In this tutorial we are going to make the broken out section alternate position view of this jet engine turbine. This is the assembly model. We can make the different drawings of the separate parts, but we are taking it as sample to understand the drawing views. So first of all, we will go to the make drawing from assembly and we will select the sheet and we will add model view here. I have explained all these standard views, projected views, auxiliary views in the previous video. I will provide the link in the description. You can watch the video from there. So in this tutorial we are going to learn broken out section, break view, crop view and alternate position view. First of all, we will see what is broken out section view. Broken out section view is used to an existing view exposing inner details of the model. It is used to break the model and to see the inner detail. So after selecting this, I have the pen and I will make the spline at the area I want to break. After making the area and closing it, I have this tab, select OK, and now it is showing the depth tab. Like I am going to select this edge, it will show the detail from this circle to this edge, and if we select preview, it will show the broken out section like this. So the shell has been broken and now we can see the inner dimensions or inner view of the turbine blade like this. This was simple our broken out section. Now we will see what is break line view. Break line views is used to separate the view in two parts. Like if I have one part, this I am going to break this, I will select this view and I will add first line here and second line here. It will break from the center of these lines. So I can change the features of line by going to break view. I will select this horizontal, it will be horizontally break. Select this and I can change the style of the views like this. Select OK. Now you can see that this is our break view. So if we want to make the crop view is like that. You can crop the image, you can crop the certain area you want. Like if I have the symmetrical part, I will crop it from the center. So let's see how we can use it. First of all, I have to make some close sketch to make our crop view. Select this and after that go to crop view. Select crop view and you can see that our view have been cropped in the rectangle I have made. So this was simply our crop view in the Solidworks drawing. Now we will see what is alternate position view. Alternate position view is that if you want to add the new position to the same drawing view. So for that I have to make the configuration. I will go back to the drawing and here I will add configuration. Give the name of the configuration alternate position view like this and select OK. Now our alternate position view have been enabled. We will make this part float for this configuration and we will rotate this component like this. Select OK. Now after doing this, go back to the drawing sheet and select the alternate position view and select the drawing view on which you are going to add the alternate position view. I am going to add the alternate position view to this drawing view. Select this and select existing configuration. So this is our existing configuration which is enabled. Select this, and now you can see that I have rotated the part and it is showing the position with different angle. So this is simply our alternate position view. So these were our broken out break view, crop view and alternate position view. In the next tutorial we will see the annotations like how to add balloons, weld symbols and notes to add on the drawing. So thank you for watching, keep supporting and keep sharing our channel.